Hello students, here is the question. Here we are given that this set of elements have a arithmetic and geometric series hidden in them, and there are four initial terms for each of these series, and the last terms of these series are the maximum possible four-digit number. Then the common terms in these two series is. So here we need to find the arithmetic and geometric series, and by observation you can say that arithmetic series is this which has a D, that is a difference, common difference, to be 5, and the geometric series is this where the r, that is the common factor, is 2. So when we identify the arithmetic and the geometric series, we need to look for the last terms of the series that has the maximum possible four-digit number. So here we are considering the last terms in both these series to have the four-digit maximum number possible. So if we look at the GP, we are asked the question that we need to find the common terms. So if we see the GP over here, it will be easier to analyze what common terms will be present in these AP and GP. So and we can also identify the maximum possible four-digit number in this. So here you can see we have the GP here, that is 4, 8, 16, 32, so on. And as you can see, this is a factor of 2, that is 2 raised to 2. This is 2 raised to 3. This is 2 raised to 4. Similarly 2 raised to 5. And if we go on, if we look for the four-digit number that 2 can provide, it is 2 raised to 10 for 1024, 2 raised to 11 for 2048, 2 raised to 12 for 4096, and 2 raised to 13 for 8192. So 2 raised to 13 is the largest possible number in the geometric series that will have the four-digit number as the last term in this case, and we need to find out the common terms in these two series. So if we look for the GP, we have the last term as, that is, any term in GB can be written as this term over here. We just need to know what the n is. If we put the value of a and r in this, we can see that 4 into 2 raised to n minus 1, we have 2 raised to n plus 1. So 2 raised to n plus 1 should have the largest value possible. So n is equal to 12 over here. And if we look over here, we know that this is the possible last term in this case. So, and in the AP case, the last term in that way is 11 plus n minus 1 is 5, and n minus 1 is, let's say, n to be some number, and we have into D, so we take 5n minus 5. So we have the last term in this series to be having this term over here, and if we look, we have the common, that is the divisor, as 5, and the remainder is 6. So that means the let us look at the divisibility test of 5. We know that 0 and 5 at the units place will make any number divisible by 5, and if we add 6 to this and 6 to this, the units place should have 6 and 1 in this case. So we only need to look at the GP terms that have 6 and 1 in the units case, and these are the only terms that have 6 in them. So these are only the common terms present in them. Thank you.